Hi ladies, and this is me in my comfort zone as well. Looking slightly mad as I've rolled one leg on these shorts, but I wanted to show you how our stark white shorts are a Bermuda length, but you can roll them as well. They're a nice lightweight and they'll look great slightly rolled. They're £59. If you don't do shorts, we have a crop as well, which comes to just below the knee, I think, but I'll have a pair of them on tomorrow so you can see what they look like as well. We have them in white, we have them in navy, we have them in red, and I'm still in my favourite t-shirt this year, which is the boat neck tee. I have gone up to an XL for this slightly more casual look. So these are online at artichokecollection.co.uk. The shorts aren't. You need to call us or message us for those on 01760 724948. I hope you're having a fabulous day. It's raining outside whilst I make this video, but I think this is day 6 or 7. So probably by then the sunshine will be back. And what you need in your wardrobe is a pair of shorts, ladies. Have a fabulous day. Thank you. Bye-bye.